Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Dropbox account in your web browser. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Dropbox once you have logged in. And let's just say I'm quite tired of it, and right now I just want to log out. Well, from here, do note that there are lots of features like create, upload or drop, create folders and everything. But right now, what we're gonna look at is simply how to log out. At the top right section, right next to this click to upgrade, you will see your profile picture. Simply click on it. That is account. And from here, you can see something like this, like upgrade, settings, manage account, and right here at the bottom, you'll see something like log out. Simply click on it. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have logged out of our Dropbox account. It's quite easy to log out of Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.